We can love.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Ano yan? Higa?
I wanna upload it to my YouTube. What? How's my daughter? That noodles, girl?
Yung ice cream kasi makulit. Mamaya na yung fudge. Sabig. Sabig.
After an hour, andito kami sa McDo. 7:30.
Di pumasok.
Nag-breakfast kami ng hot chocolate, hot coffee, and french fries and pandesal. Then after an hour, staying at McDo, just feels that nakakahiya. We are just sitting. So, she went to counter and buy float. I don't know later on what's next. Sarap?
Kaya talaga 5 na yung tray.
Bakit? Anong plan mong bilhin later?
French fries.
Again?
Exclusive pa, bili sabihin mo.
Sunod ka dito sa McDo.
Kaya para makita naman ako. Alam mo, hindi dapat yun yung ginagamit natin. Alam mo yung camera dapat ginagamit natin.
Ito naman ganyan. Mamaya bayaran ko yun.
Oh, tignan mo, sumagot siya. Diba?
Dahil